Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm talking about my favourite bird, which is a blackbird. They are absolutely wonderful. I love the way they chirp, and I think they do like chirp first thing in the morning, and they do chirp last thing at night as well. Just before night time they chirp too. Yes, so my favourite bird is Blackbird. I just love them. And yeah, just so I like to listen to the birds. First thing in the morning, and it's just so beautiful, and yeah, it puts a smile on your face as well when hearing birds sing. Okay, I'm gonna leave you with lovely sounds of a blackbird.